If I had just 1 minute to speak to every Muslim heart, I'd say this: stop. Just pause and ask yourself, how long will you keep ignoring the one who never ignores you? You cry over heartbreak, over failure, over people who left, but have you ever cried over the times you left Allah? Every scroll, every wasted hour. It's your soul begging for purpose. You weren't sent here just to exist. You were chosen. Hearing this right now isn't random. It's a divine invitation. You've fallen again and again, and still your heart is beating. That's not luck, that's mercy. Think it's too late? Wallahi, the door is still open. The angels haven't written your ending yet. So get up, make wudu, pray like it's your last, cry like a child running back to its mother, because Allah is waiting for you more than you're waiting for change. Discipline begins the moment your love for Allah becomes stronger than your love for comfort. This is your moment. Comment day 1 if you're ready to return, before it becomes day none.